everybody, Shelly here with Shelly Can Help. And today we are making a dressing. I absolutely love making my own sauces, dressings, and dips and spreads. I think it's a wonderful way to jazz up flavors so you don't get bored with healthy eating. Oftentimes, those dressings that we have on the shelf at the grocery store are loaded with preservatives, sometimes sugar and salt. So if you just make your own, you know exactly what's in them, and they also make your food taste great. Today we're making a tahini dressing. Tahini is actually a butter made from sesame seeds. Just like peanut butter is made from peanuts, tahini is made from sesame seeds. So if you or someone in your family has a nut allergy, tahini is a great alternative. And I love putting tahini in a lot of my dressings and sauces. It adds a really great seed flavor to all of my recipes. It's loaded with protein, and sesame seeds also have antioxidants. So every ingredient in this dressing is delicious, and I cannot wait to show you. Here we go.